This is a used 2009 Ford Escape, powered by four-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, cruise control, split rear seats, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Riley Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 9693 Route 9, Chazy, New York, 12921.